Welcome to Quizzing Minute. Let's see how well do you know about Hinduism. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. Which river is considered as the holiest in Hinduism? Ganga. Who is known as the preserver in the Hindu Trinity? Vishnu. Who is the wife of Lord Ram? Sita. Before we move on to the next question, this quiz is brought to you in collaboration with the World Religions channel, a platform that explores different faiths from a neutral, academic, and unbiased perspective. If you are curious about the history, teachings, and practices of the world's major religions, make sure to check out the World Religions channel and subscribe for insightful content every week. The channel link is provided in the description and pinned comments. Now let's continue with the quiz. The Festival of Lights is known as Diwali. What is the sacred language of Hindu scriptures? Sanskrit. Who wrote the Mahabharata? Vedvyas. In which city was Lord Krishna born? Mathura. Which god is known as the remover of obstacles? Ganesha. Who wrote the Ramayana? Valmiki. How many Vedas are there in Hinduism? Four. Who killed Ravan in the Ramayana? Ram. What symbol is the most sacred in Hinduism? Om. Who is the goddess of wealth and prosperity? Lakshmi. Which festival celebrates the victory of good over evil with colors? Holi. Who is the Hindu god of destruction and transformation? Shiva. In which epic does the Kurukshetra war take place? Mahabharata. What is the name of the sister of Balram and Krishna? Subhadra. What does Namaste mean? I bow to you. Which festival celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna? Janmashtami. Who is the monkey god? Hanuman. Who was the eldest daughter of the king Dasharath? Shanta. Who is known as the god of rain and thunder in Hindu mythology? Indra. Which holy book is a conversation between Arjun and Krishna? Bhagavad Gita. How many did you get? Choose an quiz challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.